Okay, now we're going to do a patch for a texture. We're going to remove some shelving. This was textured a while ago, and now I'm going to blend it in. So the first thing you need to do is to look at the pattern that you have. You can see that the pattern is being pulled this way and that way. Okay, so when you spray, you're going to have to pull this direction. But first, what I do is I mud it flat, come over on top of the texture so that it'll make that line disappear. All right, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I sprayed it. Then I brought it way past the line. I brought it all the way out to here. The line is right there, and that's how I'm gonna make the line disappear. Okay? So now, I have all this mess on the wall. And how I clean it up is I take the larger knife, a wipe down knife. Well, it's more than just a wipe down knife. It's used as a shield sometimes, but you see how nice it cleans up the wall. All right, let me get this wall cleaned up, then I'll show you how to knock it down. Now I wipe down the wall and waiting for this texture to somewhat dry before I wipe it down. Okay, now I think it's dry enough, so I'm starting to wipe it down. You go in and you lightly, you can pull a little heavier when you get over to where the existing texture is. Look how it blends in, real nice. Show you one more time. Okay, let me get this wiped down. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, now I wiped it all down. It's not 100% dry yet. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then get it painted, see how it looks. I think it's coming out quite nice.